Howdy everybody, Steve here, KM9G. Have I got an interesting thing that is coming up for you. A while back we did a live stream on what we call FDIA, 4 days in August. These are the 4 days that start before Huntsville Hamfest. I'm going to be on top of Sano Mountain at the Sano campground, which is a POTA site and a SOTA site, starting on Monday, the week before Huntsville Hamfest. What we're going to do is adult ham radio camp. I was so jealous of my kids going to Youth on the Air camp. I wanted to do something for old folks like us. So we're going to do at least a kilo on Parks on the Air. That's 1,000 contacts. Not only are we going to do that, the Toads Radio Club, Kilo Tango Zero Alpha Delta Sierra, is in competition with the Ham Radio Clubhouse, Whiskey 2 HRC, and with the Ham Radio Adventure Group, We4DX, Whiskey Echo 4 Delta X-Ray, to see who can get the kilo the fastest. I've kind of got an inside track as I'm going to be there before everybody else gets there. A couple of us are going to do some mobile radio installs. I've got to install a mobile radio in my truck. My friend Todd, K1RW, has to install a mobile radio in his car. And I reached out to my friends over at Radioddity and said, are you guys going to Huntsville Hamfest? And told them what we were doing, and they came through with some giveaways. So I have 2 giveaways for you. This is the Ratty SW10. Since we will be up and camping and working on camping type things, emergency radios seemed like the thing to do. The next one is a very nondescript white box, very safe for the mail. You never know what you're going to get in this. This is the Ratty SL10. And if you are the first person to come up to me and say FDIA red, and I still have it, it's yours. If you come up and you say FDIA green, and I still have it, that one's yours. You can only win one though. I can't give both to the same person. It is first come, first serve. When you find me at Huntsville Hamfest on Saturday, I'll be able to show them up on the mountain, but I can't give them away until Saturday when everybody is at the Hamfest. Let's take a look at what these radios are. So now you can see why I said, tell me FDIA red, because this Ratty SW10 emergency radio is red. Let's talk about some of the features that it has. First off, the price is fantastic. $39.99 gets you a 10,000 milliamp hour USB battery bank, which is not a bad price just for the battery part alone, but it comes with a bunch of other things. This will allow you to charge your smartphone, tablet, or any other USB powered device multiple times. The emergency radio itself can be charged from solar panels, a hand crank, or USB charging with a Type-C cable included. It can charge 2 USB devices out of the red radio all by itself, and it also has a FM AM radio with weather alerts from NOAA. The weather alert is super important. NOAA puts out this special tone, and that tells your radio to go into alarm mode and wake you up in the middle of the night when there is a big storm coming your way. This has saved my bacon a couple of times, and I make sure that I have one of these on when I am out camping for sure. AM, FM, weatherband radio, flashlight, SOS alarm, compass, phone charger, and a reading lamp. 3 different levels of brightness, easy to carry with a hand strap, and it is 7 inches by 4 inches by 4 inches, so not bad at all. It only weighs 1.1 pounds. Let's take a look at the green one. This is the Ratty SL10, and again, I am very clever with my giveaway names. You have to say FDIA green in order to get the green one. This one is $59.95. This one is set up more like a camping lantern. It is IPX6 waterproof. It is a Bluetooth speaker, AM, FM, NOAA, 10,000 milliamp hour battery, dual speakers, 7 watts. It will play Bluetooth audio from your phone, flashlight, strobe light, SOS alarm light. Set it to lantern mode and hang it from your tent. Perfect. This is 4 days in August, the 4 days before Huntsville Hamfest in August. Again, really good with the naming deals. There is no charge for you to enter other than what Alabama State Parks charges for you to enter the state park, and if you have an Alabama Parks Pass, it's probably already covered. Please feel free to join us up on the mountain and have some fun. If you're not going to Huntsville Hamfest, or you otherwise can't wait to see if you have won these radios at Huntsville Hamfest on Saturday, there is a link in the description down below where you can put these things in your cart and get them shipped straight to your home and save yourself a trip to the Hamfest. We are wide open as to what else we can do while we're up on the mountain. There's going to be a bunch of hams there. There's going to be a bunch of smart people there. Any questions you have, any questions I have, maybe you can answer them. Who knows? But the goal is to have fun. That's the first and foremost thing. There is a video right here I think you'll enjoy next. Thanks for being awesome. Looking forward to seeing you at 4 days in August. This is the first year of the event. It can only get better from here because it's already better than it was last year.